Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixAdventures. Today in this video, I'm going to answer your question, can you pump up your car tire with a standard bicycle pump? So let's go ahead and jump the video right now. So I have my bicycle pump right here, and I'm going to show you how to pump up your car tire. It's extremely easy. Now you can see my pressure gauge down here, and I kind of have it set to about 32 to 25, and that will be the range for most car tires. And you can just look at it. So find about 30, and that will be what you are going to shoot for. Now on most car tires, you can just visually inspect it to see how much you are going to be inflating your tire to. Now if you can't read that anymore, you can just visually inspect your tire when you pump it up. If it's not sagging on the sides and it's a little bit more vertical, that will be good until you can go ahead and actually find the manufacturer's recommendation on how much PSI you're going to be filling your car tire to. Now when I take this to a gas station like Quick Trip, they have everything automated for me and it will automatically just shut off when my tire is full. Now with your bike pump, you are just going to connect this just like you would to a bike. So let's unscrew this cap and then put this on and get a good connection and a seal there and start pumping. So I can see my tires pumped up to the max at 32 already. Now if this is really low, it's probably going to take you about 10 to 15 minutes to pump up your tire. So just be prepared to pump a lot. So I used to do this, my tire was slowly leaking, and I would have to do this every 2 to 3 days just to add more air because I ran over a nail and I had a slow leak. So it is possible to do this and it works, it just takes a while. And you will be able to read the PSI. So let's go and just connect this, I'll show you. So right here, my tire is connected and the gauge went to about 32 right here. And I'll disconnect it and you'll see the gauge drop. And it went back down to 0 into the white section. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, go and leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on YourSixAdventures.